Most unboxings happen with a clean desk, great lighting. The Razr 60 Ultra, it's different. I'm Wilkin from Motorola, and with my friends, Mocha and Moose, today we'll be unboxing the Razr 60 Ultra. Check it out. IP48 certified, which means its beauty can survive life's unexpected splashes and more. So today we're going underwater. So here we go. Firstly, we have this package here. So let me open it up. Okay. So we've got all our quick start guides, Energy A rating there. We also have our premium protective cover. Okay. And here is the phone itself. Look at that. And we shall turn it on in the water. Oh, hello Moto. Okay, we also have our charging cable. Like so. There we go. So thank you very much for watching. Please leave us a comment and let us know what you think about this slightly strange unboxing.
Hello, Moto.